sheet. Underneath.
So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing this faucet. This was provided by the homeowner, and it's a Moen, the HS72608 in the spot resistant stainless. So faucet's installed. Everything is bled out. There's no leaks, no runs, no errors. The docking system, new system that I like, so that guy just slides in and out, and hard stop back up into there. We did relocate a couple things to get this hose to retract fully because it was getting stuck on the weight down here. So we would ask that you would monitor anything down here for leaking. You've got hot and cold water supplies that are integrated into the faucet. So back here you've got cold on that side. Monitor that, as well as the angle stop too. There's a plastic stem and a plastic packing nut in there, and sometimes when you turn these off and then on again, they begin to weep a little bit. So just check that hot and cold. And then over there you can see everything is tied in over the dishwasher. Brand new dishwasher installed, not ours, but so that's existing. That's all tied in, so that's good. And then nothing here looks like it's a problem as well. We checked the point of connection here for the dishwasher discharge hose. The disposal inlet is clean, so this should drain correctly. And this guy's going on, I guess, 15 years old, so good on you for that one. So everything here is good for right now. We're going to go and do another project. Outside of that, this installation is done.